Hello, friends, and welcome back to Mediterranean Palette. Today, I wanted to introduce to you my chocolate challah. Chocolate challah is a soft bread. It's such a pleasure to enjoy. It has chocolate in it. It's not heavy sweet. Oh, it's delightful. Let's start. Let's start by adding half cup of warm water to the mixture. Now let's add 1 tablespoon dry yeast and we'll add quarter cup of honey to the mixer. Now let's give the yeast mixture a good mix and we let it sit for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 egg yolk and we will keep the white so that we can brush our chocolate challah right before the baking. And now we are going to add the other 2 eggs. Next we are adding a third cup of vegetable oil, 1¼ teaspoon salt, and now we are ready to add the 3 cups and another 3/4 of a cup of flour, and we're going to mix it for about 8 minutes. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit flour on top of it as well. Now I will cover the bowl with clear plastic wrap and I'm going to let it rise for about an hour and a half. To this bowl I am adding a half cup sugar and to that I am adding a third cup of melted chocolate chip. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of raw tahini, and if you don't have tahini, that's perfectly fine. You can and to add a nice deep flavor, we are adding 1 Bake your challah at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then cover with foil and bake another 10 minutes. And that's it, my friend. Our beautiful chocolate challah is ready to go. I just know how much you will love this challah. This is also the time to say thank you for joining me for today's video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and join us. Don't forget to click that button and like the video and share to your circle. And I will see you in the next video.